Ever felt like your social media strategy is less strategically planned and more desperately cobbled together at the last minute? You know, that frantic scramble to post something, anything, before the clock strikes midnight? Or maybe you're juggling multiple platforms, each with its own scheduling tool, and you're starting to feel like a digital circus ringmaster? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. And the burning question on everyone's lips, especially if you're an Asana user, is this: can Asana actually schedule social media posts? We all know Asana as that powerhouse of project management, right? The place where tasks get assigned, deadlines get set, and chaos gets, well, managed. It's the go-to for teams looking to streamline workflows and boost productivity. But social media, that's a whole different beast. It's a constant stream of content, engagement, analytics, and, let's face it, a lot of unpredictable algorithms. And amidst all this, the need for seamless scheduling is paramount. Think about it. You're building a campaign, collaborating with a team, designing graphics, writing captions. It all needs to come together at the perfect moment. So, logically, you'd wonder, can my project management hub also be my social media scheduling savior? Let's break it down. Asana, at its core, is a task and project management platform. It's designed to organize and track work, not directly publish content to social media platforms. You won't find a schedule post button tucked away in the corner. However, that doesn't mean it's completely out of the social media game. In fact, Asana can be a powerful ally in your social media workflow, just in a slightly different way than you might initially think. Think of Asana as the command center for your social media strategy. It's where you plan, collaborate, and organize all the moving parts. You can create projects for each social media campaign, break down tasks into manageable steps like create graphic, write caption, review content, and assign them to team members. You can set deadlines, track progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page. This level of organization is crucial for maintaining consistency and avoiding those last-minute scrambles we talked about earlier. One of Asana's strengths is its flexibility. You can customize projects with custom fields to fit your specific needs. For social media, this is a game changer. Imagine creating fields for platform, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, publish date, publish time, content type, image, video, text, and even campaign goals. This allows you to track all the essential information in one place. You can even use Asana's calendar view to visualize your social media schedule, ensuring you're not overloading your audience with too much content at once. Now, here's where things get interesting. Asana integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, and some of these can bridge the gap between planning and publishing. For instance, you can use integrations with apps like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, to automate certain aspects of your workflow. You could create a Zap that triggers a notification in your social media scheduling tool, like Buffer or Hootsuite, when a task in Asana is marked as ready for publishing. This way, you're not directly scheduling posts in Asana, but you're streamlining the handoff between your project management and social media tools. This approach allows you to leverage Asana's organizational power while still using dedicated social media scheduling tools for their specialized features. You get the best of both worlds: the structured workflow of Asana and the robust scheduling capabilities of platforms designed for social media. This is where the concept of a social media workflow hub really begins to take shape. Another powerful feature is Asana Forms. You can create forms to collect content submissions from your team or even external contributors. This is particularly useful for user-generated content campaigns or when you need to gather feedback on drafts. Imagine creating a form where contributors can submit images, captions, and relevant links. All this information is then automatically organized into an Asana project, ready for review and scheduling. Let's talk about the practical applications. You can use Asana to manage your entire content pipeline, from ideation to publishing. Create a project for each social media campaign. Break down tasks into stages like brainstorming, content creation, review and approval, and scheduling. Use Asana's timeline view to visualize your campaign timeline and ensure all deadlines are met. You can even use Asana's reporting features to track the progress of your campaigns and identify bottlenecks. While Asana doesn't directly schedule posts, it can be used to track the performance of your social media content. Use custom fields to track key metrics like engagement, reach, and conversions. You can then use Asana's dashboards to visualize this data and gain insights into what's working and what's not. This data-driven approach allows you to optimize your social media strategy and maximize your ROI. And don't forget the power of comments and attachments. Asana allows for seamless collaboration, enabling team members to provide feedback, share resources, and keep everyone informed throughout the entire process. So, to answer the initial question, no, Asana cannot directly schedule social media posts in the same way that dedicated social media scheduling tools do. However, it can be an incredibly powerful tool for managing your social media workflow, from planning and collaboration to content creation and performance tracking. By leveraging its flexibility, integrations, and customization options, you can create a streamlined and efficient social media process that keeps your team organized and your content on track. Think of it as the strategic backbone that supports your social media efforts, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content and building your brand. The key takeaway here is to understand Asana's strengths and limitations. It's not a replacement for dedicated social media scheduling tools, but it's a fantastic complement. By integrating Asana into your workflow, you can create a seamless and efficient process that maximizes your productivity and minimizes the chaos. It's about building a system, not just relying on one tool to do everything. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.